This is 2425 Prizm Deca Hobby 2-box PYT number 9. Yeah, let's see something crazy for the boys. No. Oh, got it. Okay, yeah. Chen, nobody saw the message, including myself. Again, in the future, if you want to take a kill or you want to do like a close price, you can just say close or something. That way, YouTube doesn't filter it out, because YouTube will never tell you that the message didn't send. It will appear in your message log as if it's sent, but none of us see it, unfortunately. And it's happened so many times, and you know me, I'll always take care of you guys. Good luck. Let me find something for you guys to get. Actually, you know what? Guess the first gold or better. I'll do it for $25 to start the day. No guarantee that there's a gold though, but I'm getting cocky. First gold or better for 25. Let's get cocky. What's up, milligrams? Good luck. True blue. Cam Johnson for the Nets. We also have another blue legend. That's a cool Magic Johnson as well for the Lakers and J-Motes. Harden, silver on the downtown now. What's up, Willie? What up, Steve? Chen, are you live right now? Chen, by the way, you may possibly be... Oh, I think you are. You might be like 30 seconds behind, maybe. You might be, Chen. I don't know for sure. Mugbo. Red. A rare kick. Mr. Lando, what up, legs? Mama Willie's here. Unbelievable. When are you going to the game, Willie? Game 3? True blue of Tingus Pingus. Castle on the base. That one was from like a month ago, a little bit over a month ago, when we went to one of the Golden Knights watch party at Circa. I posted some montage. I'm trying to post twice a day now, so I'm like, I have to go back on some of it. So if you look, my hair is way shorter. Silver of Westbrook. Happy retirement for him. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to guess what that is. Purple auto. Good luck. Edie. Red of Dante DiVincenzo. Purple auto is a legend. And it's a beauty. For H.T. Yang. Sorry if I said that wrong. H.T. Young? That's a penny purple. I hit the blue and now the purple. 43 of 49 on the Penny Hardaway. 2 cases, 2 pennies. That would have been the nuts. Chet didn't do shit last night. What did he end with? Like 6 points? Some of these are miscut. I hate it. He literally has been, been crap. Yeah. I have a black gold, my very first black gold. Thor had like 9 points, something like that. I'll put it right there for now. Finally, only took me 2 cases or 3 cases. What PYT is? Only took me 3 cases for black gold. Only took me 3 cases, guys. Only took me 3 cases for that. Red of penny again. Lots of pennies. Oh, I thought I had 2. I was like, yeah. I got way more excited than I should have there. I thought we had 2. Again, I got a little copy. Mojo autograph. Good luck. Shepard, nice. SAR silver. Motown on the kill. That will be the guess. The black gold's the guess. Yes. Rookie Mojo autograph for the Raptors. Man, I've hit him in every case. Jonathan Mogbo. The Raptors should never sit there for Sing Balain. 4 of 25. I said Sing. Good luck. Hey, you know what? I've said it before and I'll say it again. Vegas made the phone call. Vegas made the phone call. A Legends black and gold. This should be sick. Is that going to be AI or Dr. J? Sixers and my good friend J-Mote. That's nasty. I love the Legends cards of this really, really well. How about a Dr. J 2 of 5? That's a sick card for my friend J-Mote. Finally, J-Mote, me and you needed to connect on something. That's a beauty. Don't know if anybody gets Dr. J, but I'll roll the guess if not. I think we'll have another one. That's it. I'm not gonna lie, the Blez Light channel, we've been chugging along. I ain't gonna lie, we've been chugging with the product that's been released and stuff like that. But I will say this. I absolutely will say this. We've been hitting some 1-of-1s and some low-numbered heat lately. Straight up. We've been hitting a lot of low-numbered heat lately. Oh, not yeah. You sure? I like what. I never realized how much I liked watch parties. Like before, I used to be like, whatever. Watch parties kind of overrated. I just want to watch at home. But like ever since I went to Circa, I was like, bro, this is the most chill vibes I've ever had. Like, you know, when I go to watch parties, I'm at bars and stuff, and you know, like the crowd is a little bit more intimate, but a little bit more rowdy. When I went to Circa on the pool deck, you know, it wasn't even like, you know, there was good cheering and stuff, but it was just good vibes. Everybody was just more chill, more relaxed. Now mind you, it wasn't a fight, it wasn't the cup, you know. It was just the early playoffs, but still I would have expected a little bit of rowdiness. A really nice box, guys. Real nice box of Deca. How about my boy Jacob Wilson? Another homer. I honestly think he's going to have a above 310 batting average to close out the year. If he stays healthy, I think he averages above 310 batting average. And I honestly wouldn't be surprised if he's like, you know, call it 18 homers. Wow, I thought that was a black again. Juke. Silver of Jimmy Bucket. Silver of Maxey also. And a silver of Tatum. Lots of silvers to start. True red. There's Bronny. All-Stars red of Paolo. The Magic is having a nice 2-box break. Guys, number 10 in the store is there. It's going to hit the screen. And that is going to be our last break of not only Prizm Deca, but also Bowman University for now. We are getting more Bowman University. Not adding it right away, though. It's got ordered. I know that for sure. Reeves. So we may see more Bowman University in the next week or two. Approximately. Yeah, certified, bro. I'm already down to my last couple breaks. It's crazy. I'm going to try and find a couple more certifieds because I like the price point for the value that we're getting. True Blue Legend of the Glove. Durant. True Blue. Cody Williams. Şengün on the blue for the Rockets. Come on, show us one more gold. If not, there's got to be a gold in the last box. And I'll do a nice guess on the last box of this too, if we don't hit something here. Blue of Paul George on the kill. Yuki. Sar. Malik Beasley, red. Silver auto. I forgot we'd even hit autos. Quinton Post again. Warriors and the copy. Our last pack. Alright, no golds in this one, guys. I apologize. McCain, Filipowski, Gary Trent blue. Red veteran autograph of Jeremy Sohan for the Spurs, and take both. That second box was poo-poo. Nothing good in the second box. Guys, I really think number 10 is going to have something. What up, Sponge? I honestly believe number 10 might have something. I got all the mid cases of Prizm. Let me just hit one of one for you guys. One Prizm 1 of 1 for you guys. Come on, I'm dying for one. It's been months since I pulled a Prizm 1 of 1. If not, almost a year. Yeah. Tired of it being mid. It took me 3 cases to hit a black gold. Which in regular Prizm, I'd be very excited if I could hit a black gold every 3 cases. Trust me. But this isn't regular Prizm. So expectations is higher. You don't know, you don't, Motown, you don't understand. That's the happy hammer at the craps table when he's making money, not when he's stressing about it. That was the break of number 19, number 10, number 19, number 9, number 10 will be the last break of Prizm Deca, guys. Thank you, everybody. Oh, I believe that. Wait, did you have Pacers?